Welcome to this 8-acre estate in an absolutely gorgeous setting. This is 1217 Big Creek Road in Madisonville, Tennessee, offering priceless mountain views. Take the paved driveway lined with Bradford pear trees to your home, offering almost 2,000 square feet of living area. This lovely home offers a screened-in porch with plenty of room to relax at the end of the day and soak in the views, overlooking a large above-ground pool surrounded by an expansive back deck. Now step inside for all the amenities, a cozy and accommodating living area, your fully equipped kitchen and dining area. On the main level, there are 3 bedrooms, each providing the comfort and privacy you deserve, and a bath to accommodate everyone on the main floor. Now take the downstairs to this walkout basement that's perfect as a mother-in-law suite. We provide this very comfy den and a full bath with shower. With plenty of storage throughout, like the laundry, this extra room, and full garage, no space has gone unwasted. A large portion of the property is fenced in to accommodate livestock. It's complete with a barn, all powered up, that even offers a tack room. With a new roof and HVAC by Train that's only 6 years old, 1217 Big Creek Road in Madisonville is truly a must-see property. Schedule your private tour with Corrina Ashe of Tellico Mountain Realty direct at 423-261-5480.